Morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Me and Mr. A are back on the garden house build. We haven't got MJ still, he's resting up still. We may see him back tomorrow, or we may not. But we're cracking on, so been a busy morning. Been around picking up materials, picked up some blocks, picked up a wall starter kit, picked up some resilient bars, amongst other things. Quite a few bits this morning, so we're just ready to start. Mr. A just mixing up a batch of cement now. He's going to be building that wall on the back of the house where the door is going to be. So it's sort of like replacing the old fence panel. So we're going to build a 100mm concrete wall in that area. I'm just about to install the wall starter kit for him so he can do that. And then I'm shooting off to pick up a compactor to compact the hardcore that we put in yesterday. So let's just have a look and see what we're getting up to. So guys, this is our wall starter kit. This gets screwed to the wall here. And then we just pop these things out. And then we just slide them where we want to sit on top of the block. So I'm going to screw this to the wall now. So I'm back, got the picked up the compactor. Mr. A's been working on this wall, it's nearly done, it's looking good. So this is basically our alleyway now, just continue from this wall here. Before it used to be an old timber wall here, timber sort of fence, took that out. So we're going 2 more courses up there, and then that's our level for now.
Alright guys, here's the compactor. This is the machine that I've just picked up from the hire company, and just about to compact this area. So some people call it a whacker plate compactor, same thing. This I hire cost me about £40 for the day, and I've got to put down about £100 deposit, and then you get that once you bring it back and everything. So actually most of the time when I get this, it has enough fuel in there, so I haven't got to go and get in fuel. There's loads in there, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's loads in there. So I'm only going to be using this for like not even probably 10 minutes, so it will do with what I need. Yeah, so a couple of things I've done. This is an armored cable that's going to run in there, so I've put in a 32mm pipe to bury that underneath in the hardcore, and also going to run another one in the insulation, which is going to be if we need to run any mains cables outside. So it's sort of there as well, and there's our toilet one there, and later on we'll put the shower one in there once we've put our insulation down. So I'm about to flatten this down now. Alright guys, so this is me done. Run this a couple of times. Yeah, it's all nice and solid, well compacted. Now we're gonna do we're gonna run off for some lunch, then we're gonna come back, we're gonna put some building sand over this and just sort of make sure that DPM doesn't get damaged or anything. We've got a big bag to fill up in here, and we'll spread it out nice and level, and then we can put our DPM down and our insulation. And Mr. A's wall is done, looking good, as you can see. We're going to be plastering this wall when we plaster the back of the house. This is from that side, you can see. Looking good, nice and straight, as you can see. Job done.
Hi guys, so we are done today. Me and Mr. A just shut off, and we managed to achieve our goals for the day. It's been a terrible day with the weather. As you can see, it's raining again. It just keeps raining and raining and raining. We've been working inside, we've been working outside, and at the moment this is weather to work inside. So you know, we managed to get what we needed to get done. Let's have a quick look. We're going to start with what Mr. A done on the wall, and then I'll run through the inside, what I've done, and what the plan is for tomorrow. So yeah, I think I've showed you guys this already, but this is the wall anyway that Mr. A done, as you can see, nice and straight down the line. This is where our door is, so let this set for a couple of days, and then we're going to fit the door in. So the door's going to get screwed to here, it's going to get screwed to here, it's going to get rendered, all the walls going to get rendered at the back here. And let's have a look at what we did inside. So we're ready to get a skip as well soon. So we can just get all that stuff out. So basically this is what we did inside. You can see our insulation. So we did a hardcore, compacted that, put sand down, put up our membrane down, and then insulation. We taped up all the joints and everything, and we're basically ready to go. So what we've done here as well is for the shower, I've marked where our shower is going to be. The shower waste or trap is going to be there. It's running straight in. I've sorted out the slope and stuff like that, and basically what I've done is just put some foam around this, and I also put this little bit of insulation, and I've just sort of fixed it down for now. So when we cast the concrete tomorrow, I'll be able to pull that insulation out, and I'm going to have a hole in the ground there, and I'm allowing that for me to get down to the depth that I need for my trap to go in the floor, and then I can sort of fill around it. Probably fill it with gravel or something like that around, and then the shower tray will sit on the rest of the concrete. So that's what I've done there. Toilet's ready to go in there. Waste pipe for the sink will run in the wall across here, across, and then down into the stack there. and also running this armored cable. Armored cable was already put in before we got here. It was already run from the house out to here. I've got to see if I can get some more slack because it's really short the way it gets to. I mean, they ran the cable here, but I guess they just assumed how much length we wanted. But there's going to be a cupboard here, so I'm trying to put all the services in this cupboard. Cupboard literally starts around here, the wall for the cupboard. So we're going to have all the fuse board in there. We're going to have a water heater in there as well to supply the sink and electric shower and all that. So I'm going to put all that stuff in that cupboard. But at the moment, the armor cable is a bit short. I mean, it can be extended, but even now, it's just for me really short. So I'm going to see if I can pull a bit more through because I've got this 32mm pipe which runs out to the ground and outside the back there. So I can actually pull some more through. But yeah, that's basically it. So concrete this tomorrow, and then we're ready to start putting the resilient bars in and all that stuff and getting some plasterboard up in here. Ceiling's ready already. Just some insulation to do up there. Once we've got our concrete foundation in here, we can work on up there, get the ladder out and fill up the insulation and get this plasterboard in. That's it, guys, for today. As I said, yeah, we'll get this done tomorrow. We're still waiting for steel. I'm actually going to chase that up right now. I chased him up yesterday, didn't hear anything back on the email from our steel guy. He was off on Friday, so I don't know if he's not well. But he did say he was going to get back to me on Saturday, which he didn't, and he didn't get back to me. He didn't reply to my email yesterday, so I'm going to check my emails now, actually. If I haven't heard from him, chase him up again. Because we need to get that steel down before we can get the roof on, and we really want to get the roof on, especially if the weather's starting to turn. We want to get the roof on as soon as possible so that we can be able to work inside, so yeah, hopefully we'll get that. That roof's not going to take us long to get watertight, at least, anyway. And yeah, so I'll keep you guys updated on that once I hear something back from my steel guy. I shouldn't imagine it will take long to get that steel, a couple of days probably, because there's no welding to do. It's literally cut it and drill a couple of holes in it, prime it, and that should be it. So yeah, so anyway, guys, it's 5 o'clock now, so I'm shooting off home. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Just a quick update, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.